circuit that you are going to design in this tutorial is this circuit. As you see, you have truth table of this circuit too, which we are trying to show how to do this design using Quartz schematic and how to simulate it. The function actually is in page 22, f equals to x1 and x2, or not of x2 and by x3. This is the same thing that you see in this page, the page 7. Okay, let us start designing the software in Quartz 2. First of all, you should create a new project for start designing the circuit. In the file menu, click on new project wizard and click on next. In this section, you should choose the project directory that you are going to save your project files. It's good to do that in something like this. For example, I create a new document here, my Quartz projects, and I create another one for first project, okay. Then all the files in this project will be saved in this path. You should select the name for the project. I will just write first project and click on next. Okay, if you have pre-made files, you should include them in this section, but we don't have any pre-made files, then we just simply click on next. In this page, you should select the family of the target FPGA you want to compile the project on it. Because we are just using Quartz for simulation, it doesn't matter what type of FPGA you are using. Then I just select Cyclone 2, and for target device I just select auto device selected by the filter, and set everything else as default and click on next. We are not going to worry about this page, then click on next. And this is some preview of what we have done in creating a project. Click on finish. The project has been created, the first project. Okay, now we should go to file menu again, click on new. There are different types of new files that we can add to our project. The things that we are going to use in this video tutorial is block diagram or schematic file, which is under design files. Then click on block diagrams and select a schematic file and click on OK. There is a toolbar here that you can select logic gates and wires and both to connect logic gates to each other and create your circuit. For the purpose of our project, the function is the circuit. Then we need 2 ANDs, 1 NOT, and an OR to build this function. Okay. This symbol tool, click on symbol tool to choose your gates and add them to a schematic file. there are different types of symbols you can add to your project or your schematic file, but because we are using logic gates that are under primitives, click on this plus to open this menu, and from logic menu you can choose different types of ands, ors, nors, and different types of logic gates that you know. Because we are using AND gates, two AND gates, as I told before, there are two AND gates with two inputs, we choose this one. But if we had something, for example, if there are three inputs in this AND, we can use AND 3, which has three inputs. Okay, now add these two ANDs to our schematic files and click and on your keyboard push escape button to exit AND. And now we need a NOT gate and a NOR gate. Click on symbol tool again. We can simply write in this section NOT, and it just select NOT for us. And also you can just scroll down to find find NOT. It's up to you which is more comfortable for you. Okay, we need an AND, we need a NOT here, but as you see we should have a NOT which is rotated in 90 degree. Then push escape button to exit this inserting gate mode on your keyboard, and then click right click on NOT gate and rotate 90 degrees. Again, actually we should use 270 degrees to have a NOT gate in this way. Okay, click on symbol gate again. We need OR 2 and click on OR 2 to add the OR to your project and finish. Yep. Okay, now we need 3 inputs and 1 output, as you see. Then click on symbol tool again. Under primitives there is another section with name of pin. Click on pin and there is input output, which is useful for our project. Then click on input. We have 3 inputs, then 3 times we should put this input pin, and also we need output pin, 1 output pin for the result of our circuit. Okay, try to put them in a good way to connect them easily to the circuit. Okay, we should connect X1 to one port of and X2 to NOT and one another port of above and we just create this circuit as you see. This one is there's orthogonal node tool, which is something like wire. You should use this one to connect your input to AND gate. Just try to do it when it's on one input pin. It shows a square, which means you can connect these 2 pins to each other, and You can also add a line from the middle of another line to your gate. Should connect the output of NOT to the below end, and this input to another input. Okay, connect other pins. As you see, just left click on the end of the pin, end of the output or input of a logic gate, and try to connect. When you go through the pin, the place that you can connect, there is a square which shows up that you can connect in that point, and just drag and drop at the square. Okay, and the output, which is the output of okay, now we have designed our logic circuit. It's completely similar to the thing that it's showed in this